really unprofessional and sad because the authorities changed the paper system from the computer based test to a OMR sheet based test.
पेपर अच्छे से हुआ और कहीं भी ऐसा मतलब हम लोगों को पता नहीं चला कि पेपर आउट हुआ है, ना कोई ऐसा माहौल था। अचानक अभी देखे हैं न्यूज में चल रहा था कि यूजीसी नेट का पेपर रद्द कर दिया गया है।
In a twisted turn of events, the University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test UGC NET 2024 was cancelled within a day of being conducted successfully on the doubts of possible violations of integrity. When the National Testing Agency NTA in charge of overseeing the exam expressed concerns about the integrity of the examination process, the Ministry of Education authorized a Central Bureau of Investigation probe into the matter. The UGC NET was held on June 18 this year across 1,205 centres around the country with more than 11 lakh aspirants appearing for the exam. This year's exam was designed to evaluate candidates for eligibility as junior research fellows or assistant professors. However, instead of using the standard computer-based test mode, it was shockingly administered using a classic pen and paper format. This incident comes immediately on the verge of the NEET UG 2024 test scandals, which included concerns about the validity of the results and claims of paper leaks. The way the administration has handled these problems has angered the public and led to calls for responsibility. Thus, in response to claims of paper leaks, the Supreme Court will consider new petitions asking for the cancellation of the UGC NET exam today. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Centre's National Cybercrime Threat Analytics Wing identified possible threats to the integrity of the exam, thereby prompting the Ministry of Education to take action. In the face of growing controversy, the Union Ministry of Education has acted by cancelling the UGC NET because of possible integrity violations and announced that there will soon be information on the new exam. Meanwhile, students are becoming more vocal and demanding that Dharmendra Pradhan, the Minister of Education, must step down and the NTA be dissolved. The ministry declared that a new UGC NET exam would be held in due course and underlined in an official statement its dedication to openness and the integrity of exams. Concurrently, a thorough inquiry into the purported irregularities has been assigned to the Central Board of Investigation, affirming its commitment to maintaining the integrity of India's academic evaluation processes. The Ministry of Education has promised severe action against any person or organization found to be at fault. A major blow to aspirant scholars nationwide, the UGC NET exam cancellation highlights the urgent need for changes to the examination administration and security procedures. It is anticipated that this episode will have a ripple effect on the education community, prompting inquiries about the validity and impartiality of high-stakes exams in India.
पेपर अच्छे से हुआ और कहीं भी ऐसा मतलब हम लोगों को पता नहीं चला कि पेपर आउट हुआ है, ना कोई ऐसा माहौल था। अचानक अभी देखे हैं न्यूज में चल रहा था कि यूजीसी नेट का पेपर रद्द कर दिया गया है। हमें लग रहा है कि पता नहीं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी इसलिए रद्द कर दिए कि नीट पे जो प्रेशर है कि यूजीसी नीट का पेपर जो आउट हुआ है उसको रद्द किया जाए, तो वो अपनी कमियों को छिपाने के लिए लग रहा है कि नेट में तो हम लोग को पता ही नहीं कि पेपर आउट हुआ है, उसको छिपाने के लिए पहले हम यही लंका लगा दिए कि यूजीसी नेट का ही रद्द
हो गया। ये तो अचानक हम लोग अचंभित हो गए देख के इसको। ऐसा कुछ तो सेंटर पे हुआ नहीं था कि जैसे अराजक तत्व हो जिस पेपर में वो दिखे कि पेपर रद्द हो सकता है।
We just got the news that the UGC NET paper भी cancel हो गया after the NEET paper, and it's really unprofessional and sad because the authorities changed the paper system from the computer based test to a OMR sheet based test, and they never consulted the students and made this decision by themselves. And now the notice has come that they have found they don't find the credibility of this paper verified or authentic anymore. Now this is really sad because so many students gave their maybe second, third. They also said that PhD would be conducted from like the decision for PhD would be decided from this as well. And in big institutes like JNU and DU saying that they won't be conducting separate papers is just heartbreaking for so many students, including myself.
Despite strong protests from students, parents and politicians, the Education Minister is under fire for not cancelling the UG NEET and UG NET tests. Critics claim that by ignoring heat waves and red alert challenges, the choice of holding the examination in such a scenario exacerbates student anxiety.